Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samuel, Chief Director of Good Touch Aso Beauty. For this Rose Gele, we'll be tying from the back to the front. I made the two flaps of the gele to be equal, so we have 50 by one side, 50 by the other side. So I'm crossing it from the back to the front, and I'm creating a pleat with one of the flaps, and then I'll repeat the process to the other side. I'll make pleats by the other side and then bring it to the center. That is where I want the rose to be formed. So the next thing is to tie the two flaps of the gele in the front. So after tying it now, so I'll take one of the flaps and then I'll roll it round in a clockwise direction. So you just arrange, so that is how the rose will be formed. You can see I'm taking it in a clockwise direction, and I will continue to fold it till I get to the end of the fabric. So you can see I'm just trying to take it around, so you can see that the first face of the rose has been formed. So I just pin it there so that it doesn't lose. So I just use a pin to pin it firmly to that side, and then you arrange. So I'll take the other side in an anticlockwise direction. So if one moves this way, so the other one will go the other way. So I'll just repeat that same process. Okay, so I'll go in the anticlockwise direction and I'll keep arranging. So I'm basically arranging the second flap of the gele. That is what will give it the full form of the full shape of the rose that we want to create. So the same process, then I'll pin it there. So after pinning it, you are done. So the next thing is for you to carefully arrange the gele, because the reason why the rose is by one side is because I tied the gele by one side. If you just, depending on where you want the rose to be, if you want it to be in the front, you tie it at the center. So I'll just basically arrange this. I'm just arranging, and our gele is good to go. Our rose gele is good to go. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Make sure you comment in the section.